In this video, I am going to show you how you can dual and copyright free music for YouTube. It happens that YouTube has sometime anyone which is copyright. So what we're going to do is search in Google for the YouTube audio library. Okay, and select this option audio library free music. It may appear directly on your channel or the mail if it comes out directly in the library. If we have a library now, what we can see the large of music appear. If you not see, you can search study YouTube and study.com. Enter in the first option and go to the studio, the second option, and we can see my channel. Okay, now I press the option the music library, and we can see so many songs: pop, rock, jazz, blues, country, cinematographic, etc. And it will not generate any comments later for your video. The song reproduced here, and here we can see the option to dual landing file. And that's all, guys. It's very useful and safely for your video. Thanks for watching this video.